Your tools deserve a throne, not a wobbly excuse for a table. In this video, we're rolling out the best workbenches that don't creak under pressure, crack under stress, or cry when you tighten a bolt. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time shop wizard, these benches are built to hold your gear and your trust. From foldable champs to heavy-duty beasts, we've tested, banged, and built on them all, so you don't have to. Stick around as we break down the top contenders that'll make your workspace smarter, sturdier, and a whole lot cooler. If you want to check the prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description, as I have linked to each of the products mentioned. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's jump into the video. Number 5 on our list, Keter Folding Work Table. Set up in 30 seconds, strong as a beast, and ready to go wherever you do. This Keter work table doesn't mess around. Right out of the box, this thing impressed me. No tools, no screws, no swearing. It unfolds in under a minute and locks into place like magic. And once it's set, it's solid. I've thrown 2x4, tile saws, and even engine parts on it. With a 1,000-pound capacity, it can take anything you dish out. The tabletop has an excellent grip, and the included clamps hold materials super tightly, which install horizontally or vertically. I've used it for miter saw projects, building shelves, and even cutting tile. No sliding, no shifting, just clean, controlled work. And it doesn't care if you're in the garage or out in the rain. The weather-resistant resin and aluminum legs hold up in any condition. What makes it stand out is portability. It folds down to 4.4 inches thick and has a handle that makes it feel like carrying a suitcase. I've taken it to job sites, friends' houses, and even my backyard for some quick painting touch-ups. If you're the kind of DIYer or contractor who wants sturdy support with no setup headache, this is it. After just a few uses, it's easy to see why this table's become my default choice for any task that needs a solid surface. Reliable, rugged, and fast to deploy. It checks every box. Number 4, I have Gearwrench Mobile Work Table. If you like your tools where you need them, at arm's reach at the perfect height, this mobile work table will spoil you for life. The first time I used the Gearwrench table was during a brake job on my car, and I instantly wondered how I ever worked without it. The tray is huge, 30 inches wide by 20 deep, with plenty of room for tools, parts, and even a small impact gun. And the compartments? Game changer. No more bolts rolling off the edge. It adjusts from 35 to 48 inches tall, which means whether I'm standing or sitting on a stool, I can dial it in perfectly. I tested it with a full load of tools and even a jack handle resting across the center. It didn't sag or tip. The center can hold up to 125 pounds, and the edges are rated for 65 pounds. Pretty impressive for a cart that rolls effortlessly on 3-inch casters. The EVA mat on top resists solvents and keeps tools from sliding around. I've spilled brake fluid and degreaser on it more than once. It just wipes clean. And the powder-coated frame looks sharp and handles abuse without chipping or rusting. Bottom line, it's my go-to for mechanical jobs, especially when I need tools moving with me. I used to run back and forth from my toolbox. Now I roll this cart over and get to work faster, smarter, and without the backache. Number 3, Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table. Compact, crazy versatile, and tougher than it looks. This thing is the multi-tool of portable workbenches. The Worx Pegasus has been my sidekick for everything from backyard carpentry to impromptu garage builds. The genius of it? It's both a workbench and a sawhorse, and it takes just seconds to fold or unfold. When I'm tight on space or need to move quickly between jobs, this table's portability is unbeatable. Weighing only 30 pounds, it tucks right under your arm or fits easily in the trunk. Don't be fooled by its weight, though. This table holds up. As a workbench, it handles 300 pounds. As a sawhorse, a full 1,000 pounds. I've clamped 4x4, old cabinet doors, even pipe sections with zero wobble. The included bar clamps are no joke. They deliver over 300 pounds of force and lock your project in place. Plus, the clamp dogs let you secure odd-shaped objects like round wood or pipes without a fuss. One feature I didn't expect to love as much as I do, the built-in measuring guide. I've used it for quick cuts and layout work, and now I don't reach for the tape every 5 minutes. Worx even designed it to connect with their other tables if you need a bigger surface. This isn't just a portable table, it's a smart, rugged sidekick built for real projects. I've beaten on mine for months and it's still rock solid. Number 2. WEN Workbench. Lighting, storage, and power. This WEN Workbench brings it all together like the Swiss Army knife of garage setups. I set this baby up in my basement workshop and I couldn't believe how much functionality it packs into one unit. Let's talk workspace first. The enamel-coated tabletop doesn't just look sleek, it holds up to 220 pounds and doesn't leave marks on your gear. But the real stars here are the built-in pegboard and drawers. I finally have a place for every tool I use to toss in a bucket. What do I love most? The built-in fluorescent light and triple outlet strip. No more headlamps or crawling under the table looking for a plug. I plugged in my sander, a shop light, and my drill charger. No issues at all. The setup is sturdy too. It doesn't rock or wiggle like some of the cheaper units I've tried. The two drawers are surprisingly roomy, and the shelves, top and bottom, can handle a decent amount of weight. I loaded mine with paints, clamps, and extra batteries. Setup took a bit longer than expected, about 45 minutes solo, but the payoff is worth it. From casual DIY projects to full-blown repairs, this bench keeps your workspace organized and powered. WEN nailed the essentials here, and with a 2-year warranty backing it up, I feel confident putting it through daily use. Number 1 I have. Workpro Adjustable Workbench. This is the best of all workbenches. Rock solid, customizable, and ready to handle whatever chaos your tools throw at it. From the moment I unpacked the Workpro Adjustable Workbench, it was clear this wasn't just another flat surface to bang nails into. The steel frame is serious, 1.3 millimeters thick and tested to hold 2,000 pounds. I loaded it with my heaviest gear, miter saw, toolboxes, even a vise, and it didn't even flinch. Over 6 months of use, it stayed level, stable, and secure. The 30mm thick rubberwood top is a dream to work on. It's smooth enough for delicate tasks, but rugged enough for full-force drilling. Plus, it's FSC certified, which means you're not just building things, you're building responsibly. I appreciate when form meets function and sustainability. But what made me love this bench? The adjustable height. Whether I'm sanding something low or wiring a light at chest height, I just set it anywhere from 31.5 inches to nearly 40 inches. That ergonomic comfort is a game changer for long projects. And the built-in ETL certified power strip is genius. 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports keep all my tools and devices running without crawling around the garage hunting for a socket. Assembly took me just under 10 minutes with the included tools and video instructions. Overall, this bench isn't just part of my workshop, it is the workshop. If you need strength, convenience, and pro-grade features, this is your best buy. No gimmicks, just a workhorse that delivers.